Gang. This is day 88 of 100 days of code, free caps lock. Let JavaScript rise. We're here. Another little announcement stream, just talking a little bit about what Liam Anderson did. And who better to tell us about what he did on his 88th day of code in a row than Liam Anderson. How are you doing?
Man, I just love casting spells. That's all I gotta say. No, I'm doing awesome. Tired AF and busy AF days. A lot of private stuff to organize. Even closer to freedom, which will start on Saturday. And probably will go on for a few months at least. And yeah, today I watched another 5 minutes of the Git and GitHub crash course. And it was basically just, hey, it's about taking snapshots of your code. You can stage the commit first by using git add and then git commit afterwards, something like that. But we didn't get to actually following through on the whole process yet. Oh, that looks good. I'll probably check that out soon. Okay, those are just weird codes.
And those are hashes. But yeah, we will get to it. I just wanted to put something thematically fitting on the screen.
Okay. So basically, and before anything else, you have to init. You have to git init, and I accidentally opened the whole, like, they didn't properly link the course resources, so I opened the folder with like other courses they have as well. So and then I initted for all of the courses inside of that folder. Now that I wanted to git add one specific file of that one specific course that we're actually working in, of that whole folder with many subfolders, there were some warnings coming that like some processes are maybe in conflict with each other. And my last action was to ask ChatGPT how I can uninit that whole folder, so I can only init that one folder that I want to work at, to not run into any conflicts.
How did you do it?
Well, I didn't yet.
Okay. So if you ever happen to init the wrong thing, you can just say rm minus rf dot git. And that basically, I think you've probably covered when you did shell commands like rm remove minus rf recursive all files. So you basically just delete the hidden git folder, which is under .git, and then it's uninitialized.
I could also just delete it manually in the folder.
Yes, exactly.
Got it. Yeah. I'm a little bit like in VS Code or VS Codium, which I'm using. I don't fully get the different ways of how to access the files correctly, because maybe sometimes I want to affect my terminal stuff, my terminal commands, only the project that I'm working on, but maybe I also want access to other folders of other projects to maybe look into that code, and like knowing which folder to open and how to structure my main coding folder on my computer. I don't know if there are some like special things to think of. At the moment, I just have like an archive of the old courses folder and an archive folder where I put all the old courses, the old projects, and a projects folder where I put new meta folders of the new projects and new courses, and a folder with coding notes that I just keep inside of that I can just directly access from VS. I can write notes with Vim key bindings, which is pretty awesome. But yeah, I don't know if there's any like recommended folder structure, because sometimes I feel like I don't have a really smooth workflow with folders and starting projects yet.
Yeah, we can dive deep into that as soon as you have time properly again. And so let's definitely just make a neat package together with the Git once we talk about all the stuff that you learned and you maybe even show it off on your own terminal. And then we can also talk about, because there are many solutions and you just have to go with the solution that you like. I'm obviously going to tell you how I like to do it, right? But everyone likes to structure their code different with different columns, editors, and workflows and stuff like that. So I'm definitely going to give you a list of things that I know. Doesn't mean that that's exhaustive. There could be way more solutions, but yeah, we can dive deep into that.
Got it. Nice. Yeah, and maybe tomorrow will be more input. Maybe busy week, but soon.
Both. Good. Then there's nothing left to say except, so this has been day 88 of 100 days of code. We talked about Git, and the guest was
Leon Anderson with my mentor.
I live Mill from Teledev. Gang. JavaScript gang.
Until tomorrow.
Oh, code. Gang.